If you're looking at used trucks or classic cars, engine reliability should be your top priority. But finding a V8 that won't let you down isn't easy. After analyzing maintenance records, repair costs, and real-world data from millions of engines, we've identified the 15 most bulletproof V8s ever built. These engines don't just perform, they're proven to run for hundreds of thousands of miles. Before we reveal the full list, consider this. The most reliable engine on our list has documented cases of running over 1 million miles. That's like driving from New York to Los Angeles more than 350 times. And we're not talking about babied engines. These are workhorses that have pulled heavy loads and powered performance vehicles through decades of use. Let's start with number 15 on our list, the Chevrolet 6.6-liter Duramax turbodiesel V8. This powerhouse regularly crosses the 1.2 million mile mark when properly maintained. What makes it special is its durable design, featuring turbocharged direct injection and forged steel internals built for high compression. Developed with Isuzu in 2001, it revolutionized GM's heavy-duty truck lineup. While early models faced injector problems, later versions proved nearly bulletproof. The Duramax became the engine for the Silverado HD and Sierra HD trucks that demanded reliability under extreme conditions. These engines consistently demonstrate their ability to handle massive loads while maintaining efficiency and power delivery throughout their extended lifespans. At number 14, we have BMW's S62, the 4.9-liter V8 that powered the legendary E39 M5 and Z8 Roadster. Don't let its performance credentials fool you. This engine features high revving capability, advanced Vanos variable valve timing, and individual throttle bodies for each cylinder. Despite its sophisticated design, these engines regularly surpass 500,000 miles with proper care. The key to their longevity lies in the over-engineered internals and robust aluminum construction. Yes, maintenance is expensive, and neglected examples can suffer from rod bearing and Vanos system issues. But follow the service schedule, and this high-revving power plant will keep delivering thrills mile after mile while maintaining the smooth operation BMW is known for. The number 13 spot goes to a true American classic, the Chevrolet 409. This 6.7-liter V8 from the early 1960s proves that they really did build them better back then. Its cast iron block and overhead valve design created the foundation for incredible durability. While most have been retired to collector status, these engines were engineered to handle anything you threw at them. The 409 gained legendary status in the muscle car era, powering everything from family cruisers to drag strip champions. Its torque-heavy performance and simple maintenance requirements made it a favorite among mechanics and enthusiasts alike. With basic care, these engines could easily surpass 200,000 miles, a remarkable achievement for their era. Rolling in at number 12 is Chevrolet's torque monster, the Vortec 8100. This 8.1-liter V8 was GM's answer to diesel-level torque in a gasoline engine. The massive displacement and iron block construction created an engine that could handle the most demanding jobs without breaking a sweat. While it drinks fuel like there's no tomorrow, owners regularly report passing the 500,000-mile mark, especially in heavy-duty towing applications. Early valve spring issues aside, this engine proved that displacement is no enemy to longevity. The Vortec 8100 became a trusted workhorse in the Silverado 3500 and Suburban, tackling everything from construction hauling to cross-country towing with remarkable reliability. The number 11 position might surprise you. It's the Hyundai's Tau 5-liter. Created to compete with luxury brands like BMW and Lexus, this engine showed that Hyundai could build a world-class V8. The all-aluminum construction and direct fuel injection system delivers smooth operation and impressive power. With documented cases exceeding 200,000 miles, it proved that reliability isn't exclusive to established luxury manufacturers. Early oil consumption issues were quickly addressed through improved engineering, resulting in an engine that combined refined performance with impressive durability. The Tau V8 powered vehicles like the Genesis and Equus, demonstrating that Hyundai could compete with the best in both performance and longevity. If you're enjoying this breakdown of legendary V8 engines, make sure you're subscribed. We're about to reveal 10 more power plants that have earned their place in reliability history, including one that's nicknamed the Million Mile Engine. The number 10 spot belongs to Ford's legendary 7.3-liter diesel, available in both IDI and Power Stroke variants. This engine earned its Million Mile nickname through countless examples, exceeding 500,000 miles, with many surpassing the 700,000 mile mark. The secret lies in its cast iron construction and overbuilt internals designed for high-compression diesel operation. While early Power Stroke models faced some injector pump issues, replacement parts proved incredibly reliable. The pre-1994 IDI version, built by International Harvester, won over fans with its mechanical simplicity, while the post-1994 Power Stroke brought modern direct injection and electronic controls to the platform. Today, these engines continue powering everything from work trucks to RVs, proving their worth decades after leaving the factory. Coming in at number 9 is the Chrysler 5.7-liter Hemi, which revived the iconic Hemi name in 2003. This modern interpretation combines the muscle car spirit with contemporary efficiency, featuring distinctive hemispherical combustion chambers and robust architecture. Found in vehicles ranging from the Ram 1500 to the Dodge Challenger, these engines regularly achieve 500,000 miles when properly maintained. Early models did face some challenges with drop valve seats, and the cylinder deactivation system occasionally caused headaches. However, Chrysler addressed these issues in later versions, creating a power plant that delivers both performance and reliability. The 5.7 Hemi's ability to handle daily driving, heavy towing, and performance applications while maintaining longevity has made it a favorite among both truck owners and muscle car enthusiasts. The number 8 position belongs to Mercedes-Benz's M113 and its supercharged variant, the M113K. These engines showcase German engineering at its finest, featuring a silicon aluminum block and innovative dual spark plug design. The naturally aspirated M113 powered various Mercedes models with distinction, while the supercharged M113K brought AMG performance to a new level. These engines frequently surpass 300,000 miles, with some examples reaching 400,000 miles. Despite occasional oil leaks in the M113K's more demanding maintenance schedule for supercharger components, these engines delivered exceptional reliability. They proved that high performance and longevity weren't mutually exclusive, especially in models like the E55 AMG and SL55 AMG. At number 7, we find Ford's modern masterpiece, the Coyote 5.0 V8. This dual overhead cam design brought high-revving performance and reliability to both the Mustang GT and F-150 lineup. While early models experienced some head gasket and ignition coil issues, Ford quickly resolved these problems. The Coyote regularly exceeds 300,000 miles while maintaining its performance capabilities. Its variable valve timing and advanced design allow it to serve double duty as both a performance engine and a reliable workhorse. The Coyote represents a perfect evolution of Ford's modular engine family, combining modern technology with proven durability. The number 6 spot goes to Chevrolet's LS3 6.2-liter, a shining example of the keep it simple philosophy paying off. This aluminum block power plant combines traditional pushrod design with modern materials and engineering. Found in vehicles like the Corvette and Camaro, the LS3 frequently surpasses 300,000 miles despite its performance-oriented nature. While some owners report minor oil consumption and lifter noise, these issues rarely affect reliability. The LS3's combination of simplicity and strength made it a favorite among builders and enthusiasts. Its immense tuning potential doesn't come at the expense of longevity, proving that a well-designed performance engine can also be incredibly reliable. Coming up, we'll reveal the top 5 most reliable V8 engines ever made. These power plants have set the gold standard for durability, with our number 1 pick proving itself in some of the most demanding conditions imaginable. At number 5, we have Toyota's 3 URFE 5.7-liter. This power plant exemplifies Toyota's commitment to durability in their heavy-duty applications. While some high-mileage examples show increased oil consumption and occasional water pump issues, these engines consistently surpass 300,000 miles. The aluminum block and head construction keeps weight down without sacrificing strength. Found in vehicles like the Tundra, Land Cruiser, and Sequoia, the 3 URFE has become legendary among overlanders and off-road enthusiasts. Its ability to maintain reliability while tackling harsh environments, from desert heat to Arctic cold, sets it apart from typical truck engines. The smooth power delivery and robust construction have made it a trusted companion for those who demand ultimate dependability from their vehicles. The number 4 position belongs to Ford's Windsor 302, better known as the 5-liter V8. This engine's cast iron construction and straightforward pushrod design created a formula for exceptional longevity, with documented examples exceeding 1.3 million miles. While high-mileage engines might develop timing chain and seal issues, these problems are minor considering their age and use. The Windsor 302 powered everything from Mustangs to F-150s and Lincoln Town cars, proving its versatility across multiple decades. Its simple simple design made repairs easy and affordable, contributing to its reputation for reliability. The engine's ability to handle both performance modifications and daily driving duties while maintaining reliability made it a true cornerstone of Ford's lineup. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is Toyota's 2UZFE 4.7-liter. This cast-iron block engine was engineered specifically for truck applications, focusing on low-end torque and bulletproof reliability. Found in vehicles like the Land Cruiser, Tundra, and Lexus GX 470, these engines frequently exceed 500,000 miles, with some reaching the coveted million-mile mark. The only critical maintenance point is timing belt replacement. Follow this schedule, and the engine seems nearly immortal. The 2UZFE earned its reputation in some of the world's harshest conditions, from Australian outback to African safaris, consistently delivering power and reliability when needed most. Runner-up at number 2 is Chevrolet's legendary small block 350. This 5.7-liter V8 truly earned its Heartbeat of America nickname by powering millions of vehicles while regularly surpassing 1 million miles. Its cast-iron construction and simple overhead valve design created an engine that could handle decades of use with basic maintenance. While some engines developed minor thermostat and cooling issues, these were easily addressed. From Camaros to Corvettes to countless trucks and vans, the small block 350 became the most versatile V8 in automotive history. Its affordable parts, easy maintenance, and incredible durability made it the gold standard for reliable V8 engines. Taking the crown at number 1 is Toyota's masterpiece, the 1UZFE 4-liter. This engine redefined what was possible in terms of luxury car reliability. Its aluminum block features 6-bolt main bearings, while the heads incorporate over-engineered components throughout. Found primarily in the Lexus LS400, SC400, and Toyota Soarer, these engines regularly exceed 1 million miles. The only critical maintenance item is timing belt replacement. Beyond that, these engines seem virtually indestructible. Toyota's engineering team overbuilt every component, creating an engine that combined incredible smoothness with unmatched reliability. The 1UZFE proved that a sophisticated luxury car engine could outlast simpler truck engines, setting a benchmark that remains unmatched today. Before you go, what's your experience with any of these engines? Have you owned one that proved exceptionally reliable? Or do you think we missed an engine that deserves recognition? Share your thoughts in the comments below.